let's start the new topic and the last topic of this summative exam. That is the lesson number 7, getting to know plants. Plants. Now you know plants are very important in our life. Yes? Why they are important? How the plants, how we can recognize the different plants that we are going to discuss in this video or in this lesson. We are going to discuss in this lesson. So plants, you can see everywhere. Now you people are at home, but you can see the different plants. Some are small, some are long, some are big, some are very short. Am I right? Then if you will look at the plants properly, you can see that some plants can have the flowers while some do not have the flowers. Some plants, if you will look the structure of the leaf is, some plants they have very big leaves, some plants have very small leaves. You can see the varieties of the plants around us. Now as you know that we live in a Konkan region, am I right? We can see this is nothing but a Sahyadri part where we can see the different varieties of the plants. Yes, in our area we can see Konkan. We can see the different varieties of the plants. We see the different sceneries. We can see some small plants, some big, some are very tall. The leaf structure is different. Some bears the flowers, some do not bear the flowers. Some are very shiny. Yes. So let's discuss the category of the plants. Let's discuss how the plants are classified. The plants are mainly classified according to their size. According to their size. That is herb, shrub, trees. We will discuss this both the plants afterwards, this category afterwards. But mainly the plants are classified into three types. That is herb, shrub and trees. Herb are very, let's discuss about one pattern. Herb. Herb is very small plants. The plants whose height is very small, they are or very short, they are called as a herb. Now let's discuss how are the herb. Now you can see the different, let's take an example of tomato. Tomato plant is an herb. It is very short. Now if you might have imagined the tomato plant, if you will imagine the tomato plants, we will just see what are the structures, what are the characteristics of the herb. Herbs are very short plants. They have a green leaf. What is the color of the leaf? It is green and it is very thin. If you will look at the stem is thin and it has the stem is also thin and soft. But this plant, the tomato plant, may not have the many branches. They do not have the lot of branches. Are you getting me? And lifespan, the living period or the period of the tomato plant is very short. It has a very short lifespan. Now let's discuss about the shrub. Shrubs are greater than herbs but smaller than tree. Herbs are greater than herbs but smaller than tree. Here the stems are little bit thick and hard. Here the stems are thick and hard. Here leaves are brown color. The structure of the leaves is brown, while in herb it is green. The shrub has a brown color leaf. And this plant means the lifespan of this shrub plant is more than herb but smaller than trees. The lifespan is not too much, it does not have a long lifespan, shorter than the tree. It can live for the number of years, but it cannot live how the trees are grown. What is the lifespan of the tree can grow millions of years. You might have heard about banyan tree which has the lifespan of the banyan tree is millions of years. So the shrub, they do not have a too much lifespan. Compared to the tree, the lifespan is short of the shrub. Let's take an example of rose plant. Here the example is a rose plant, lemon plant. These are the example of a shrub. Now let's discuss very strong part of the plant, that is tree. Now you can see the different varieties of the trees around us, mango tree, coconut tree. If you will look at these trees, they are growing millions, millions of years. They can grow, the lifespan is more as compared to the herb and the shrub. Now let's talk about the stem. It has a very hard and a strong stem. It has a very hard and a strong stem. It can grow, the number of branches are more as compared to the shrub. The branches, it grows, the number of branches can be grown of trees. Are you getting this? So these are according to the size of the plants. The plants are categorized into the three parts: herb, shrub and the tree. So the example is mango tree, banyan tree. These are the example of this. But along with these plants, you can see the plants which has a very weak stem. The plants which are having the very weak stem. For example, if you will take a watermelon. Yes, if you look at a watermelon, the fruit is big. But compared to the fruit, the stem or the plant is weak and it grows above ground. It grows under the ground. So such a plant, they are called as a creeper. The plants which grow on the ground or under the ground, they are called as a creeper. Clamber means in the name itself tells you clamber. It's climb. But it needs a support. It needs a support. Now, for example, the money plant. Yes, it grows on the wall. It grows on the wall. It takes the support of a wall and it can grow. So they take, as the stem is weak. So it takes the support of the wall or particular any object, hard object, and it can grow. So such a plants, they are called as a clamber. They are called as a clamber. I hope you have understood the varieties of its categories of the plant: herb, shrub, trees, creeper and clamber. Already in the previous classes we have discussed about this all, but this was in detail. So let's learn about the parts of plant. Let's discuss about the parts of plants. Now see, this is a plant. Okay, this is a plant. Now if you will look at the plant, you can see the different varieties of the different things on the plants. We can see the stem, leaves, bud, flower, fruit, leaves and root. These are the different parts of the plant. These are the different parts of the plant. But plants are mainly classified. The parts of these plants are mainly classified into two types. That is root system and second is shoot system. The plants are mainly classified into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. Root system is nothing but, now as you know, the plants, suppose this is a plant. Let's take this an example as a plant. Now the part which grows above the ground, that is called as a shoot system. And a part which grows under the ground, so that is called as a root system. Means this parts of the plant is mainly divided into two parts. The part which is above the down, that is called as a shoot system. This part is called as a shoot system, while this part is called as a root system. Are you getting this? So the plants are mainly classified into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. I hope you people have understood about this classification of the plants, that is herb, shrub, trees, creeper, climber, and also you might have the parts. The plants is mainly classified into the two parts, that is root system and shoot system. These two part system we are going to discuss more in detail in the next video. I am going to first we'll look at for the root system, what is the function of root, what modification of the roots are taken place. Similarly, about the shoot systems we are going to discuss in the detail in the next video. So today's work is that write the definition of herb, shrub, tree, creeper and climber in your science notebook along with the example. Okay, thank you.